Yo, doing the Polar Pro ND filter review. Delicious and sexy so far. See how the footage looks when we're done. Also flying on the new Butterflight 3.6, which is the beta firmware with unscented Karman filters. I think I just got vlog bombed by a drone. It's vlog bombception. What else are we doing today? We're flying a new part. It's delicious. All kinds of fantastic things to fly. Bunches of trees and outcroppings and basketball hoops and playgrounds, and I think it should be a good time. We'll get into it anyways.
Chasing the fields, summer's on the way, sun is shining now, don't hide away. Find the right wine, take a sip, drink down. Take a longer walk out by the ocean, drift on, drift on. Deep down, deep down, deep down, you know you'll find the way, you'll find a way. By the way, I kinda like it. It's shining right, it's shining right. We'll never know what did we find out by the ocean. Feels right to me. Drift on, drift on. Don't wanna rewind. Come all the way out. Drift on, drift on. Do it all again. Nothing holding us still will. Drift on, drift on. Taking it in, slow it all down. Look around you now at the sundown. Lighter than before, sit back, eyes wide. It's shining right, it's shining right. We'll never know what did we find out by the ocean. Feels right to me. Drift on, drift on. Don't wanna rewind. Come all the way out. Drift on, drift on. Do it all again. Nothing holding us still will. Drift on, drift on. It comes the night, the stars bright, right on the sand, all around the fire. It comes the night, the stars bright, right on the sand, all around the fire. Don't wanna rewind. Come all the way out. Drift on, drift on. Do it all again. Nothing holding us still will. Drift on, drift on. Out by the ocean. Feels right to me. Drift on, drift on. Out by the ocean. Feels right to me. Drift on, drift on.